streamlined physique helps them cut through the water quickly. Their dorsal fin allows for stability as they cut through the water. Their pectoral flippers allow for steering and movement. And their peduncle, the region that starts behind their dorsal fin and flattens out to their glutes, help them generate powerful thrusts that propel them through the water. As you can see here today. Now, I have a fun question for all of us here today. Do dolphins have belly buttons? If you think the answer is yes, let me see you pat your belly just like this. I see a lot of belly pats. Well, if you are patting your belly, you are absolutely correct. Dolphins, just like you, me, and most mammals, have belly buttons. In fact, a dolphin's belly button is a reminder of its time as a calf, as it was connected to its mother through an umbilical cord, just like human babies. And as mammals, they share other characteristics with us too. For example, they give birth to live young. And mother dolphins produce milk